it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today guys, I've got an unboxing for you of this month's secret scent box. So yes, today we are going to be unboxing this month's secret scent box. Secret scent box, as the name might give away, is a fragrance subscription box. You get 3 different designer fragrances in the box each month, which is this thing. This is how it arrives through the post. So as you can see, it is very letterbox friendly, which is ideal because it means you don't have to worry about being in if you're at work or just out and about, or if you're in your dressing gown, you don't have to worry about answering the door. So that's perfect. So, like I said, 3 different designer fragrances. There's 3 ways of subscribing. If you subscribe a month at a time, it'll cost you £15 per month. If you want to subscribe for a whole 6 months at a time, that will cost you £14 per month. It works out that way. Or if you want to subscribe for a whole year, the boxes work out as just £13. I believe there's currently an offer on to get a box for free. If you check out the website, it's always worth checking out their website because they do sometimes drop like little codes and things on there. So you might get a free box or a cheap box. So it's worth having a little look. Anyway, let's open this. So like I said, letterbox friendly, ideal. And then inside, once we open it, we get our secret scent box itself, which is always like really nice. It looks kind of cute. So if Christmas is coming up, it might be a really good idea if you know anybody that's like a big fragrance fan or whatever. So yeah, little pretty box. And then inside, if we open it up, if I don't drop it, we get a little card that tells us it is the November edition for her, because they do actually do a for him box. So again, if you know any men, it might be worth checking out that box. Hey, you might just prefer men's fragrance. Do smell nice. Okay, so, and then inside we get some little information cards about each of the fragrances, and we get the fragrances themselves. So I'm going to do what I always do, give them a little spritz, a little sniff, and let you know what I think of each of them. I do not profess to be an expert on anything fragrance, perfume, I don't know, but I do my best. It's a very subjective thing really, because everybody likes different scents. So I'll let you know my opinions. You might love these and I might hate them. I might hate them. You might love them. That's the same thing, isn't it? I might love them and you might hate them. Okay, so the first fragrance in the box this month is by Ted Baker and it is Woman Pink. It says it's a classic fragrance from Ted Baker, perfect for everyday use with its fresh, light green notes and beautiful hints of flowers. The bottle looks very pretty. It's got top notes of bergamot, lemon, tangerine, apple and peach, with middle notes of ylang-ylang, jasmine, freesia and lily, and base notes of vetiver, vanilla and musk. So let's give that one a little sniff. Sounds nice, very feminine kind of fragrance. Nice, it's a little bit more musky than I was expecting. But it's kind of nice, yeah, it's quite a... like a fruity floral. If that makes any sense. Nice, I'd wear that, I'd definitely give it a try. Our next fragrance this month then is by Mugler and it is their Alien Goddess, and it says, introducing a brand new alien goddess, the embodiment of mystical femininity, bringing hope and positivity to the world. It has in their Italian bergamot essence as the top notes, middle notes of the fusion of jasmine grandiflorium, and base notes of Madagascan bourbon vanilla. Okay, might be really nice. Oh, that went on my hand. Oh, I like that one better than the first one. Oh god, that one, don't even know where that's sprayed. Yeah, I like that one. That's a really nice one. Yeah, there's got that hint of vanilla. It's quite a subtle fragrance. It's not too OTT floral or anything, so I like that. Okie dokie then, so we're on to our third and final fragrance this month. This one is by Escada and it is Miami Blossom. So it says, inspired by the seductive glamour of the city of Miami, Escada Miami Blossom promises a colourful summer cocktail in the middle of November. Seems like a random kind of description for a fragrance that you're passing off as a November box, but hey, I like it. Let's bring a little bit of summer into the winter. Okay, so this has top notes of watermelon, blueberry and orange, middle notes of pineapple accord, jasmine and tuberose. It has base notes of ambroxan, musk and sandalwood. So it should be like kind of a tropical vibes type of a scent. That's what I'm expecting. Okay. Ooh, seem to have a bigger mist. Ooh, and I can smell it already. Wow. The pineapple is definitely the biggest scent I'm getting from that. It's very, very tropical, very holiday vibes, kind of a, I could literally, before I even smelled the card, I could smell it in the air. The pineapple, that tropical scent. It's really nice, actually. Reminds me of something, and I think I've just placed what it is. When I was a little girl, I had like a tropical Barbie doll and she was scented. It smells like that. Wow. It's a flashback. It's nice though. If you're after like a tropically holiday vibes fragrance, this is a really good one. So yeah. Okie dokie then guys, that is the 3 fragrances that we got in this month's secret scent box. Let me know what you think of them. Have you tried any of these? Do they sound intriguing? What do you think of the idea of a fragrance box? I actually really like it because I can be weird with scents, so I really like that you get the chance to try them and wear them for a little bit, because you do get in here enough fragrance to last you the entire month. So it means you can give each of them a really good try before you splash out on the bigger bottle, because some fragrances can be quite expensive. Yeah, so let me know what you think of that. Let me know if you've tried any of these before. Let me know if I'm right in thinking what I think about them. Okay guys, so if you've enjoyed the video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and to give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I've got lots of different unboxings like this coming all the time, various bits and bobs. Take a look at my channel, you will get the idea. Anyway guys, until next time, thank you so much for watching. Take care and I will see you again very soon. Bye bye.